It's been a minute since my last bike got stolen. London living continues to test us. But after a year and a half of building, we're back. Another 2020 R1, black and finished with some tasteful additions. It's almost like the universe rewards us for continuing on this mission when the chips were down. A cosmic nod that says, here, have some light tech. She's race tuned by Dave Moss, has a 3/4 Akrapovic system, GB racing engine covers, adjustable rear sets, tail tidy, Brembo levers, light tech chain adjusters, light tech mirror blanks, and a Vortex belly pan. I can honestly say I'm a happy man, and I can't wait to get her out on an open track. As if the blessings weren't abundant enough, our friends over at DR Bikes UK sent us a care package, and Two Tyres were up for fitting a bunch of sick parts to help hone this Yamaha beast. With 205 horses bucking and biting at the back wheel and a break from serious riding, I'd need it. Two Tyres is our local garage in Greenwich, a tyre specialist with an expert workshop and decades of race and road experience. It's important to make sure you've got a competent team helping you. Summer is just beginning to summer. We don't want anything getting in the way of track season 2024.
Whatever someone's been doing to this before, takes it apart. Just Drew decided to locate in here, and I took a photo of Dino so he could show you before I started.
I literally met Dino, one of the Two Tyres mechanics at a track day through some other rider mates, and straight away he was added to the mandem. That's got to be the best case scenario, right? Expertise in your circle. That's one of the main reasons we come here. There's no margin for error. That margin becomes even smaller when you get into performance bikes.
The thing is, the margin for error on a bike is a lot smaller. In a car, if it goes wrong, you just kind of like slow down and stop. With a bike, you die. So that's why I'm really apprehensive to just... Because if something goes wrong in the process of me trying to do something that might be simple, then I probably won't notice, or, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just not worth it, man.
Anyway, these lot got to fit in the parts and we got to making a nuisance of ourselves in the workshop, but I'm gonna leave you lot to carry on watching.
That won't let me do it without it.
How's the ignition, or that could be battery low?
Battery was low, but I just changed it.
Before he started messing around?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
When started this morning, it's coughing and sputtering.
That one's a bit loose.
Just slowed your crank over?
Yeah.
Because the battery's probably still not good enough.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a brand new Shido battery, though.
They have
Make sure it's
to
the
do
right
one
cranking
power. Yeah.
There's two batteries that look identical. Mine's like
Cheaper one.
Why do they do this?
One's like 190 amp hour, the other one's like 70 cranking hour. One's for scooter, one's for motorbike.
Well, alhamdulillah, there's nothing more than the battery.
Yeah. We're good.
Am I going to be likely to be able to buy a battery before I leave?
We've probably got them upstairs.
And you just continue to come with the good news. Blessed be the ginger folk. Pick up your leprechaun roots, bruv.
Oh, look, you've got the bolts in them, one of them's Dino's one. They're your seat bolts.
How did he know which bolts were which? Because I definitely put the wrong bolts back.
That knows everything.
But like, how does he know that? He just looked at him, he was like, nope.
He just knows.
Is it because they're black, so they're like more aesthetic, so then that's why they're on the
I
outside?
think if you do so many, you just learn where they go.
Bruv, can I just hire Baz to just like move in with me for a while? Just like anytime I need something, just, oh Baz, what's this? Oh yeah, just do it like this.
If you can take
He likes warmer countries. On a holiday home, I live in Thamesmead. It's right by the water. Not great water, but it's water. Good news. There's nothing wrong with this part, the engine-y bit. Yeah? It's just a shit battery because I bought the wrong battery. So, we're wrapping up here at Two Tyres. As always, they were super helpful. In more ways than I can probably say on camera without it being embarrassing, but they fitted my new clip-ons. They helped to replace my rear sets that were too high. So I got some super nice light tech ones, but they took them off because they were too high. So I've got these stock rear sets back on, but with some sexy Gillies foot pegs on there. Things yet to do that I'm going to be back with the boys to fit will be a master cylinder, new lines, something else that I can't remember right now. But I'm really happy. When we set off this morning, there was an issue with the bike. I was getting warning lights on the dash. It was coughing, it was spluttering. I was not a happy camper. But it turns out I had the wrong battery in it. The battery was too weak. So I grabbed a battery from these guys, and now I'm gonna make our track day on Saturday. So we're gonna roll out now, have a look at it, tell me what you reckon.
We got track days planned, lots of summer rides, and nothing gives you peace of mind like this lot, giving you the all clear as you roll away from their doors.